PAX Gold is forecast to gain 1.1% by August 8 per coin price forecast. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. As of the latest update, PAX Gold is up 0.6% in the past 24 hours and is trading close to $4,282.20. Let's pull up the analyst expectations. CoinCodex says we might see $4,244.25 by tomorrow, down roughly 0.9%. Traders Union expects PAX Gold to retreat to $4,259.92, a projected drop of about 0.5%. According to 30 rates, it may edge higher toward $4,287, an estimated gain near 0.1%. A different forecast from CoinPrice Forecast highlights the possibility of PAX Gold hitting $4,330. Marking an estimated rise of 1.1%. And finally, Crypto Predictions sees the price heading to $4,377.81 by August 8, which is 2.2% above current levels. This is the most profitable forecast among all. Those were 5 key outlooks. Let's move along. We've reviewed the expert opinions. Now let's see the details. Looking at the spread, prices could shift from a drop of 0.9% to an increase of 2.2%. It appears Crypto Predictions ends up with the highest projected return, with 2.2% gain in value by tomorrow. Reviewing the figures, you could see returns of between $1 and $22 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at volatility data, 30 rates' forecast shows the highest probability of accuracy at 67.4%. Looking across today's forecasts, I've summarized them into a consensus outlook. Based on the consensus, PAX Gold is projected to stay close to $4,299.80. Let's break it down. Consensus calculations suggest a 0.4% price increase by tomorrow. Following that trend, your capital might also climb by about 0.4%. On 1,000, this could line up with a possible $4 increase. So the probability of this consensus forecast materializing is estimated at 64%. Next in line, let's see what analysts project for the market direction in the coming 3 days. A slide is anticipated by CoinCodex, with pressure on the downside. Traders Union sees little change in the short-term outlook. The direction noted by 30 rates is clearly upward. PAX Gold is expected to continue moving higher, CoinPrice Forecast also suggests. The scenario from Crypto Predictions also shows the price climbing. By merging all analyst projections, the consensus suggests potential for PAX Gold to push higher over the coming 3 days. Bringing the forecast together, most project PAX Gold to follow a rising path. 2 days back, 5 sites posted forecasts for tomorrow. That tomorrow has already passed, so let's review the results. In the end, trading settled at $4,246.50. As it turned out, only a minority of forecasts aligned with the move. CoinPrice Forecast stood out with the sharpest prediction. Now we move from the overview to the specifics. Just one prediction landed inside the actual range. For ROI, a few analysts showed profits, with Crypto Predictions leading the positive group at 2.2%. And now, the overall results are on screen, everything in one view. CoinPrice Forecast had accuracy and 1.8% ROI, with a forecast probability of 45.6%. Take a glance and see who achieved the most accurate forecast. Now we'll look at the forecasted returns for tomorrow and where PAX Gold fits among other cryptos. Solana takes the lead at 2.9%, while PAX Gold sits lower in rank. At this point, PAX Gold is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The complete comparison is already accessible on my website. We've reached the end. If this saved you some research time, don't forget to leave a like. Catch you in tomorrow's forecast batch.